A very good evening, everyone, and welcome. My name is Cassandra Dool, and I will be your host today. We also have Parami Jayakodi, I think, yes, there she is. And we have Rehan Fiaz helping us with all the back-end work. Thanks, Rehan. Now, once again, I welcome you all to our first of many, I hope, the Ocean Lust World Oceans Day competition. Now, this Ocean Lust e-magazine and everything that comes with it is the brainchild of Ayesh Ranavaka. Ladies and gentlemen, I invite Ayesh Ranavaka to speak a few words.
Thank you, Cassie. Good evening, everyone. First, I had this idea to create a platform that was dedicated towards protecting the ocean. I knew that I would need a young, energetic crowd on my side. We are an island nation, and we all should know what surrounds us. And it is important for us to understand what surrounds us. And it is important for us to read what surrounds us. So that was the main idea of having this competition, just to mark the World Ocean Day 2021. And when we started this competition, I was delighted to see young crowds are enthusiastically submitting their work. And now it is time to recognize their talent. And I wish all the very best to all the participants who took part in this competition, and welcome you all to stick with us, the Ocean Lust, the first ever ocean-based e-magazine in Sri Lanka. Thank you very much. Over to you, Cassie.
Thank you, Ayesh. Now, today would not be possible without one very special person. That is Mr. Mohammed Maznavi, who was our main gift sponsor. Now, he was not able to join us because he was a little busy, but nevertheless, I would like to extend a very special, very warm thank you to him. Mr. Maznavi, thank you. And now to the moment that we have been waiting for. In the photography section, we present the following participation certificates. Now, before I do this, I would like to say most of the photographs, all the photographs that we received were gorgeous, simply gorgeous. They were taken from phones, GoPros, cameras. It was, some were, they said that it was amateur photography, but it wasn't. It actually looked very professional. And we were very glad to see that most of these people were very interested in the ocean as well. So moving on, let's go to the participation certificates. Before we recognize the winners, we present the following certificates of appreciation for being shortlisted. Harindrini Korea, and Vinuja Vikramaratna. Next we see Vinuja's photograph. And now we move on to our winners. I see them in the audience as well. In third place, we have Gayatma Dulani Yapa, winning a cash prize of 2,000 rupees. Moving on, in second place, we have Rumela Fiaz, winning a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Congratulations, Rumela. And our winner of a cash prize of 5,000 rupees, we have Chamia Lianage. Hearty congratulations to you, Chamia. Now, we got some of the winners to give us a small video beforehand so that we can play it here. And this is what Chamia had to say.
Hi everyone, I'm Chamia Lianage and I'm really happy to have won this photography competition. First, I would like to thank my family and friends who've supported me and who voted for me and helped me win this competition. At the same time, I would like to thank Mr. Ayush Ranolkar, the founder of Ocean Lust magazine, and his team for organizing such a competition and for giving us photographers the opportunity to participate. The ocean is an essential part of our ecosystem, and sadly, it's being polluted by us humans. And I hope as the youth of this country, you all join hands to help Ocean Lust magazine with their cause to conserve the oceans for future generations. Thank you all and stay safe.
Thank you, Chamya. First of all, I would like to apologize if we are having technical difficulties, because once again, this is a virtual event and we will be facing technical difficulties because of the situation and everything. And now moving on, in the writing category, we received prose and poetry that was simply astounding. So before we move on to the winners, for the participation, we would like to applaud Mahasen Veerasinghe. Next we have Yasomi Piris. I think I see Yasomi also in the audience. Congratulations, Yasomi. Next we have Mystika Varnakula Surya. Next we have Taiba Mohammed and Harindrini Korea. Once again, thank you so much everybody for participating. Your submissions were equally good. They were splendid. I went through each and every one of them. Now, we also shortlisted 5 people from this category as well. And in the shortlisted category, from writing, we have Jan Mack. And next we have Sidra Sanoon. And now for our winners. Once again, a special thank you goes out to our gift sponsor, Mr. Maznavi. In third place, winning a cash prize of 2,000 rupees, we have Devmini Ratubalage. In second place, winning a cash prize of 3,000 rupees, we have Abigail Paul. And in first place, winning a cash prize of 5,000 rupees, we have Aliza Hussain. A hearty congratulations to all 3 winners. When we spoke to Aliza, this is what she had to say.
I'm Aliza and I'm from Kandy. For most of my life, I've loved traveling to Colombo or any other coastal area because of the ocean. The ocean can act as a symbol of different perspectives in life. It can teach us things we've never really thought about before, and in many ways acts as a source of peace. The extent of ignorance towards protecting and preserving the ocean is something I didn't realize until recently. And the situation at hand is only proof to say that things keep getting worse. For this reason, I would like to take this as an opportunity to thank all the tireless and passionate advocates who strive every day towards resolving this issue. I'm extremely humbled towards having received this prize and will always continue to write and use my creativity as a means of instilling change, regardless of how big or small the impact is. Thank you.
Thank you, Eliza. Now, once again, these certificates that we are showing are virtual. We will be sending the physical certificates to you. And a hearty congratulations once again to all the winners. Now, we couldn't read all the submissions, of course, since that would take too long. And I take my word for it, the submissions were really good. But you can read it too in our 3rd issue of the Ocean Lust magazine, where we will be featuring these submissions as well. And now we have come to the end of our session, and thank you everyone who took part today and when we decided to celebrate World Oceans Day with this competition as well. All of your submissions, everything is much appreciated, and the fact that so many of you are interested shows that our planet maybe has some hope after all, and we could maybe get together and do something bigger, greater in the future as well. And I welcome each of you to join Ocean Lust, be a part of Ocean Lust, and submit your submit your articles, etc., to the magazine as well, and take part. Also, await issue 3 of Ocean Lust, which will be carrying special editions, which will be carrying special articles as well, especially with regard to the recent disaster, the marine disaster, etc. And I wish you all a great, great evening. And once again, congratulations to all the winners and the participants. A very good night to everybody.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you.